Hi, my name is Jamie Roberts. I recently graduated from the University of Liverpool with an LLB law degree and have been working through Flex since June. I've just graduated from university and my goal is to eventually qualify as a solicitor. At the moment, I'm currently applying for training contracts and vacation schemes and going to law firm events and open days. And at the same time, I'm working for Flex to try and build up my legal work experience. After graduating without a training contract, I didn't really know what to do with myself, and after a bit of research, I came across Flex. I instantly signed up and arranged my interview with them, and about a week later, I was put forward for my first role at Freshfields in Manchester. The initial project was only for a week, but I was asked to stay on and I ended up staying for 6 weeks. I had an amazing time there, met some great people, and it really expanded my skill set. After I finished at Freshfields, I then got put forward for another role a week later at a boutique law firm in Manchester called Pannone Corporate. Here, I worked on a data subject access request project for 2 weeks. It was great to experience doing SAR as they are quite a common project that go through Flex. One of the great things about Flex is that it allows me to balance my time efficiently. For example, balancing time between working on placements and focusing on applications. I think a challenging aspect for me was not having much experience in the law firm or in the workplace. I was quite apprehensive about my first placement being at a Magic Circle law firm. I thought I'd be a bit out of my depth, but I ended up settling in very quickly. For me, being able to experience different types of law firms and the culture of these firms has been an interesting aspect. I think it has really helped me to narrow down some of the choices that are firms that I want to apply to in the future. In addition, at Freshfields, one of the projects I worked on came through from an international office, and in the briefing, we had a conference call with multiple offices. I was also doing work for some household names, which is pretty cool. I also think it was a great way to build up your personal network and learn about other people's journeys into law. My advice to incoming paralegals is to be confident, but also be honest with yourself and ask any questions when you don't have a clue what you're doing. I'd also say to embrace all opportunities with enthusiasm and have a willingness to learn. Also, do your best. If you perform well, and you may be asked to stay on longer, and sometimes these can turn into permanent positions.